welcome back to my channel, Tarika Bella channel. Today I'm gonna unbox 5 surprise mini brand. I got 6 of them. Let's open it one by one. Look, they look so pretty. They look like flower. Let's open first. I got bacon. Let's open that. Ooh. I got Barbasol. Wow, what's this? Oh, it's a shopping cart. Let's building it. I got that. Let's open another one. I got Doc Soap. I got Nord. I got mayonnaise. I got Bosco syrup. They call them mini because they're so little and cheap. Let's open it. Ooh, I got super rare. Yay! So gold. Let's open another one. I got moon pie. Whoa. Cool. Oh, I got a shopping cart again. I got another shopping cart. Let's open another one. I got vegan butter. I got another. I got the same one. Shopping cart done. Got another one. I got a common one. And another one. Whoa. Whoa, what's this? Shell. Ice cream. And the last one. I got Smarties. Open them on, and this is all I got. I got so many. Thank you so much, Cereal for sending me all of this. Thank you so much for watching me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye-bye.